Salte de la cara de tu hijo.
Saca el culo.
He visto cosas que nunca imaginaría.
Cat fact, March 2nd, 2020. So cats don't have the facial structure to be able to smile when they're happy, to be able to express that. So what they do instead is they use their eyes. So if you see a cat, usually in the sitting position, going like this, blinking really slowly or squeezing their eyes shut, that means they're really content and happy.
Les poils étaient pions, les vitons j'étais, et les jantons les opas, les gisons l'étaient.
No, ma'am. Paws off.
You'll never get the chance to treat me like I'm a piece of shit again.
I think he smells it. Take her. Take her. He smells it. Is that it? Is that what I think it is? It is!
These are some things my cat does that just don't make sense. He almost exclusively drinks water out of my cups and bottles, and even if he's thirsty, he usually won't drink out of his water bottle. He forgets to close his mouth sometimes, and no to the TikTok bets, he's not mouth breathing, he just forgets to close the mouth. He has an obsession with looking at the ceiling and meowing at it, even if there's nothing there. And he also likes to choose the most uncomfortable places to sleep.